An air filter is a very simple component in the air intake that's able to keep the air going into the engine clean of contaminants and ensures a good mixture of air and fuel to support performance. On most modern vehicles, the air filter is under the hood inside a rectangular cold air collector box that's located up near the front of the engine compartment. A faulty air filter appears brown or black and is easy to recognize. You may hear strange engine noises and detect black smoke coming out from the exhaust pipe. It will turn on the check engine light on your dashboard and store the air sensor related error codes. If your vehicle has encountered air filter related problems, here are 3 steps to replace the air filter. Locate the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excess dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. So here are 3 steps to replace the air filter. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.